It is Cabo day 3 and I am so relaxed. I just got a massage on the beach with my husband. It cost $60, 60 USD for 70 minutes and we just laid on the beach, listened to the waves crash, and I'm like kind of shaky right now. Oh my gosh, I'm so relaxed. It's gonna be a great day. It's been a great vacation thus far. Let me take you around.
You said it.
I did say it.
I thought that was pretty good.
Hi, babe. Vlog.
I like these little beaches, but I can't imagine it's too safe.
Woo-wee. So right now we are on a friend's boat. We were able to go on a little sunset cruise tonight, and we're cruising around and looking at the views of Cabo. This is awesome. I am such a big fan of below deck, so like I'm living out my below deck boat fantasy. Yeah, you were in the corner of that. You look beautiful. Hi, Cammie. We're on a boat. Yo. Jason and Camille, who lives in a pineapple under the sea? There's a crab down there, though. Ew.
I think,
That was our ride tonight. How'd you like it, John?
you know, it's just my life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the way you live. We had a sunset boat ride and honestly it was amazing. My hair is so windblown, but you know, John is used to this, so he's not as excited.
Guys, it's all Cubans and tequila in this guy's life, all right?
Yeah.
That's who it is.
One kiss is all it takes. Fall in love with me. I look like all you need. Spread. Look at that. Hi. Cabo day 4, and we are on the balcony. We got the crew with us.
Yo, yo.
So cute.
This is Baby J hitting the streets.
And today we are leaving the property and going down to downtown Cabo. We're gonna go to the office, gonna go to Mango Deck, and stay tuned. We might rent some jet skis, might go shopping, might go swimming. So much fun out in Cabo.
Yeah.
It's Camille's wedding. Ba-dum, ba-dum. John, what has been your favorite part of this trip so far?
Food.
Yeah. Food's really yummy. Looking over the tequila list. What are we getting for tequila, boys? Chupitos?
We are getting it's going to be the Milagro Select Barrel Reserve. It's a Reposado and it's
Beautiful. All right.
What is your name and your favorite part of Mexico?
They don't take that.
Your mother's maiden name and
They don't take that one either. Ellen already. Quit
What was the name of your first pet?
throwing that.